Hi there and welcome back. My name is Fumi from Bet Media, and today's video we'll be talking about choosing the business name. Choosing a business name is one of the most important decisions you would make. Richard Branson said that a good name would help you build your brand and a bad name will hold you back. Here are some tips to think about when choosing a business name. Number 1, keep it simple. The first rule of naming a business is to keep it simple. A name that is too complicated or difficult to remember can turn off potential clients. Think about some of the most famous brands in the world, like Coca-Cola, Nike, or Apple. All have simple and easy to remember names. Number 2, make it memorable. Speaking of memorable, you can choose a name that will stick in people's mind. This can be done by using creative wordplay, humor, or even rhyming. Number 3, get creative. Don't be afraid to get creative with your business name. You can play around with puns or even create a new word altogether. Just make sure that your name is not offensive or inappropriate. Number 4, to consider your target market. When choosing a business name, it is important to consider your target market. If you're targeting a younger audience, you might want to choose a name that is trendy or edgy. If you're targeting an older audience, you might want to choose a name that is more traditional or classic. Number 5, have fun with it. Lastly, do not forget to have fun with your naming process. Brainstorm with friends and family members and make a list of potential names and have a good laugh at some of the more ridiculous names. Remember, your business name should not only represent your brand but also reflect your personalities and values. So here you have it, some tips and tricks for choosing the perfect business name that is both professional and fun. Remember to keep it simple, make it memorable, get creative, consider your target audience, and most importantly, have fun with it. At the end of the day, the perfect name for your business is out there and it's just waiting for you to find it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.